It was the 14th of February today. I'm going to do a sit-down videos, and a mail just came today. I mean, a package just came today. Hopefully it was from my wife. It has my name on it, and I'm so excited to unbox it. First things first, my name is TJ Aldea. I do a lot of unboxing videos such as this. I do tech related videos, camera tech videos, and sometimes I do vlogs. I'm cinematic filming. I'm trying to be, filmmaker. So I'm getting there. So if you like this type of content, please do consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. You know what to do, so you can get notified whenever I upload video. So I'm gonna go downstairs and check the package out, and hopefully I can unbox it in front of you. Let's go. So here are the packages that just came out. It's a big package, and I wanna unbox it upstairs. So without further ado, let's go up and bring this box upstairs. This box is so heavy. So I am just gonna unbox it here because the boxes are big, and I got my trusty knife with me. So let's do the unboxing now. I think I know this already. I think this is the plastic mat that you have to put in the floor, Yeah, it is the plastic mat. So if this is the plastic mat, I think I know this box now. Let's see what this is. Hopefully I don't damage what's inside. It is what I think what it is. It's the gaming chair. Yep. I was just saying my wife that I need a new chair. Wow. Of course. Let's see what's inside. So those are everything that's inside the box. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to build this and show you the finished product after. You really have to do manually, as in one by one manually when building these chairs. You have to think. 15 minutes later, I finished the foot of the chair. You have to screw everything. I hate it. 15 minutes for the feet, for the foot of the chair, and 25 minutes for the seat. There's a lot of nuts to screw, you know. You know, you really have to get those patience and effort to do this thing, because this is gonna eat a lot of time. Almost done with the back of the chair. The back. Oh man. Of course, another screw. Whew, I'm almost done. Just belts and clips, and that's it. That's the footrest. Almost done. After almost an hour of fixing this chair, it's finally done, and I like what came out. It's good. It's comfy. Yeah, it's better than the other chair that I'm using. So, after almost 1.5 hours of building this chair, yes, sir, it came out good. It's comfy and nice. Yeah, I think it's durable, and I think this will last a lot of years. Like the old chairs that I have from IKEA, it lasts like 4 years. And yeah, so I hope you like this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. As always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Comment below, tell me about my video today. I'll see you in the next one.